Oh
So,
man.
yeah, we're in the hallway, and Crystal, I got a question. Why do you come to Success in Me?
One, I enjoy the group. Two, everything that I have learned in this class, I take it outside of this place, and I just become like a firm believer. Like what I've learned in class, and when I go out there and I branch out and try to make moves on my own, it matches up to what I've learned in the class. So I've learned to value my time showing up. Sometimes the class is on a repeat, so just
Hearing it multiple times.
hearing it multiple times, it's helpful. What else? It's good information, honestly.
No, it's bad information. Got a whole lot of bad information. Unfortunately, you're gonna end up making money. Unfortunately, I apologize.
I do recommend people coming checking this class out. That's one big thing is I want people to believe in what I believe in when I show up here. So I believe that this group of people are good people. They have knowledge in different areas that I couldn't just go find, and just working as a group.
Oh, it's the best content ever. I can't believe he says it. So, hey, Marshawn, why do you come to Success in Me?
Well, my name is Hustle, man. You name it, I can get it. You know what I mean? Yeah, for sure. Okay, so listen, I come here because I want to understand the language. I want to learn the language. I want to speak the language, and I want it to be familiar with me. I feel like I have learned a lot. This is one of my best friends, man, about 10 years. I mean, he was in the car game, and he gave me the CD, and so I always followed from that CD. He gave me some things, and so I always just been learning.
Yeah, I mean, learning. One thing he said that, most people don't catch on is learning the language. You never can learn something you don't ever know existed, okay? So if you know that this is out there and it's available, gosh, go out there and try to get it yourself. Make sense? Hey, learn the language, learn how to say it, hear it, retain it, say it over and over, and that's how you can use it. Yeah. All right,
so
easy.
Come on, you know what it is.
it's not hard. Just talk. All right, yeah. Listen. We got Shy Guy John here. He trying to get sexy. Now he trying to get sexy with his glasses off.
No, I can't see that far away with them on. They're only for up close.
Okay. Excuses. So listen, John, why do you come and interject every week?
Well, I love to hear what Ben has to say. I've been around the block a few times, and so I like to be able to interject the knowledge that I've learned and help Ben with some of the education in the classes.
Yeah. You do a great job of fact-checking Ben. Yeah, sometimes Ben can be like Donald Trump. I just blurt out things, and we have the Chat GPT genius right here to make sure that Ben doesn't say things.
It's all in my head. It's not really in the computer. I just got to tell him what the right answer is.
Yeah, just don't talk to him about politics. He is the worst person to talk to about politics, okay? You guys, everything negative, just know he believes in it, okay?
Oh, hey.
Don't put that on anything, okay? My guy, Aaron. Are we rolling? We rolling, Aaron? So we got Phaedra here. She's really shy right now. Totally understand that. But Phaedra, quick question.
Yeah.
Why do you come to Success in Me?
Well, man, I've been coming for 2 years?
2 years?
And I think what drew me to keep coming was that actually somebody cared about my son, bought him a suit, and does stuff for the community. So really, my passion is you invest in these sons.
That's cool. I did buy the suit. I forgot about that. That was a long time ago.
Yeah.
We just want to make sure our brothers is looking clean. We make sure
he's investing in the people, and I'm all about the people. So
that's what I'm talking about. All about the peoples.
Yeah.